Tire Protection Plan PROTEC Plus. If you're unsure of what part number you're wanting to modify for TPP, click on Administration, ABS TPP Settings. In the center section, you'll see your brand and part number. We use Road Hazard Warranty, TPP. That's what we use. Yours may be different. Go into Inventory, Service Items. We're going to find the brand of Road Hazard Warranty. Mine defaults to the brand we use. Click on the description, and we're just going to add -PROTEC Plus. Click on Save. On the multi-store, you're going to run updates for service items. On single store, you're going to modify on the store side your inventory items for service items, and then click Save, and it'll update instantly. If you have any questions, post a question in the comments section. I'd be more than happy to help you.